Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Vlookup function in Microsoft Excel. You can see I have a table over here that contains the name of students, their roll numbers, and the number of marks that they have obtained in different subjects, as well as the total number of marks. Now suppose you have a large data sheet containing thousands of rows and hundreds of columns, and you have to find out a particular value from that data sheet. So how would you do that? That is what this tutorial is all about. Suppose we have to find out the total number of marks obtained by Nasser Amin in a large data sheet. So how can we go about finding the total marks obtained by Nasser Amin? First, let me write the roll number of Nasser, that is 7, and in order to find the total number of marks, we'll use the Vlookup function. Let's put in is equal Vlookup, press the tab key. Now you can see we have 4 arguments for this particular function. The first one is Vlookup value. Our Vlookup value is this. Now insert comma. The next argument is table array. So let's choose our entire table. Let's lock the table by pressing F4, or if you are using a smaller keyboard, then you can press Fn and F4 together. Again comma, and the next argument is column index number. Now if you look at the total and count right from here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So the column total falls in index number 8. Let's put in 8, again comma, and now a range lookup. Here we have been given 2 options: true approximate match, false exact match. Now we have to find the exact match. For this we will click on false, double click, and that's it. You can also put 0 in place of false as well. Close the bracket, enter, and there you go. You can see roll number 7, Nasser Amin, he has got 328 marks. Let's change the roll number now. Let's put in 1, enter, and there you see. Similarly, you can put in any number right from the table. Let's put in 10 this time, and there you go. You can also use the Vlookup function to find out the data from other sheets onto a different sheet. Let me show you. Here, let me put in a roll number. Let's say it's 4. Names, we have to use the Vlookup function to find out the name of roll number 4 on this particular sheet. Here we will enter is equal Vlookup, and Vlookup value is 4, comma. Let's get back to our data sheet, and here we have to choose the column array. Again comma, column index is 2. Let's put 2, comma. For exact match, let's put false, enter, and there you go. You can see the Vlookup function has looked into a different sheet, that is this particular sheet, and has brought in our data. Let's change the roll number to 5, and there you go. Let's change it to 8, and there you go. 8 Dilip Kumar. You can come over here and check 8 is Dilip Kumar. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.